Hi, Elizabeth. How are you?
Yeah, I'm great. How are you?
I'm just dandy, thank you.
I know we've talked a little bit before about, your goals and kind of remaining natural, but also kind of looking refreshed. We start to lose a little bit of volume, notably here in the anterior cheek. And even though you might feel heavy, bringing back the lateral structure of the zygoma and then replacing the fat here that you once had will just give you a more rested appearance. Okay. So we're going to do a little bit of cheek work. And then another place that we tend to lose volume is here. We've also talked a little bit about your lip and the lines around the lip. And so one way that we can kind of help restore that area is to just bring back that volume to the lip. It's kind of like replacing the subfloor, when you're building a home. So just giving that foundational support.
Wonderful.
Nothing big, nothing too much.
Just all natural.
That.
Yes.